Hello everyone, welcome to NoTube. My name is Sam Kosniak. I would like you to help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Like it, share it, and subscribe. The Banquet of the Birds. Once upon a time, birds lived together. One day they called for a big banquet. When they sat and the food was brought to them, some say, let's wait for the birds that are still absent. Now, within that big banquet, the kite, the son of the fox sisters, was a glutton, therefore he started picking a piece of meat and eating alone. The marble stork spoke with the fox, saying, "Please, fox, rebuke your nephew. Your nephew will spoil the banquet." But the fox did not say the word. The marble stork lost his patience and said, "Okay, since you two people don't listen." The marble stork took a piece of meat and swallowed it whole, again and again. To this day, the marble stork doesn't chew food but just swallow it whole. When we come to this story, the meaning of this story, the banquet of the birds, this story conveyed several themes and lessons. Number one, lesson: consequences of greed. The kite greed disrupts the harmony of the banquet, showing how selfish behavior can ruin a communal experience. This highlights the importance of patience and consideration for others. Number two lesson: inaction and its impact. The fox's refusal to discipline his nephew, the kite, led to further problems. This suggests that failing to address an issue can allow them to escalate, affecting everyone involved. Number three, impulsive reaction. The marble stork reaction to the kite greed, swallowing food without chewing, led to a lasting change in his behavior. This illustrates that how impulsive action can taken in frustration or anger can have long-term consequences. Overall, the story teaches the value of self-control, the importance of addressing problems directly, and the potential for lasting impact from rash decisions. What did you learn from this story?